differential, which are the straight tube, then the vas differential give the storage of sperm, and it gives the sperm to the epididymis, where the main storage of sperm is done, and also the sperm get into the vas deferens, which is the vas deferens where the sperm goes inside the air. The part is over here. Then we come with the vas deferens loop over the urinary bladder. Then it goes to the common ejaculatory duct where the seminal vesicle attached with the urethra, which is the common ejaculatory duct which opens into the vagina when the sexual intercourse is done or copulation is done. Then when the sperm goes to the common ejaculatory duct, before it there is three glands which are known as seminal vesicle, prostate gland and the bulbourethral gland. Prostate gland and bulbourethral gland से पहले before there is a seminal vesicle which gives the nourishment as well as it has the high level of the fructose which gives us to the semen. Before gives us to the sperm. Before being a semen, which is semen goes to the sperm plus seminal plasma. Seminal plasma have the part of seminal vesicles in the ratio of 60 to 70%. Then seminal vesicle give the nourishment and the fructose level to the sperm. Then it goes to the prostate gland. In prostate gland there is calcium level which gives to the sperm. Then through the prostate gland it goes to the bulbourethral gland, where it gives the mucus to the sperm, which being done the lubrication of the penis. Where when we see the lubrication and the mucus type things in the penis, it is done by the bulbourethral gland. And now we are thinking how this process is done, how the sperm come out of the body. So here is the everything is done by the brain. Another step is done by the brain. Then we see how the brain is done this very typical process of the sperm formation. So it is done by the brain, the hypothalamus in the brain, in which there is an underneath structure which is called pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, the hypothalamus has formed a gonadotropin, which is known as gonadotropin releasing hormone, which done with pituitary gland give the signal to pituitary gland to release the hormone, two types of hormone, which is called luteinizing hormone, and another one is follicle releasing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, which is called FSH and LH, which is luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone gives the signal to the our past cell, which is called Leydig cell and the Sertoli cells. Here we can see when we cut down the part of the testis, we see the Sertoli cell, and the another one is called Leydig cell, which is in the testicular